My name is Markus Partanen and I work as a maintenance manager at Tapojarvi company. Tapojarvi company is a contractor at here Kemi mine, who is owned by Outokumpu. My role in this Digit project is to be project manager from our head. And in my background we can see a Sandvik 517 underground loader, which is a part of this Digit project. There have been done some installations on these machines and we are getting information to Digit project from machine itself, from CAN bus, and that information data is shared with 5G network to Digit server. Tau is developing that data and we are getting a lot of information how machine is working and maybe something about important information that we can predict if some failures may be for predictive maintenance. Then there is also external devices installed which are measuring CO2 levels, and with those data of course drivers are getting information about cabin air quality, but also we are getting that data to server and we can see what kind of environment and air quality is at cabin where our employee is working. All the data what we are collecting, we are transferring in Digit project into the database, and other parties in this project are developing and researching those data.
At the Kemi mine, Digit project focus mainly to air quality measurements, modeling the air flows, to digital twins for work machines and smart garment safety device testings.
I've been working with the Marini and the Kemi use case and with developing the air quality sensors. It has been very important for us to develop the sensor bundles in such a way that it's cheap to produce and they can deliver data of the good enough quality. They are delivering a data stream to the project so that they can use that for the further process.
So core in the Digit project developed machine learning models and algorithms that were deployed in 3 use cases in Marini, in Kemi and Titania. And what these models basically did is to predict the air quality inside those mines. They were also applied in the smart garment to predict the health of the individuals working in the mines, and also we had some models developed for the predictive operation and maintenance of the trucks and the assets that are being used in the mines to help the mines ensure a better operation and performance of their assets.
I'm Jarkko Raappana from Tapojarvi, and we have been using these smart garment sensors here in Finland from April. And we wanted to take part in this project because we really think it has a future application in safety, especially here in underground mines. The data we have been gathering, it has been distributed to our other partners here in Europe and other countries as well. We've had a couple of workers using these sensors, and the data we've had from them have been good and the usability is great.
European Union's Horizon Cooperation Programme and Digit project are important for Tapojarvi to find and utilize the best expertise in research and development for new sustainable innovative solutions.